YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with another Toshi Coin update. If you like it, hit the like button, let me know, and hit the subscribe button if you're brand new. But I gotta let you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. We just talking about some Bitcoin. Don't buy nothing you see in this video, okay? So as you guys can see, total market cap coming in at 3.3 trillion. Fear Greed Index coming in at a 49, and the market's starting to look a little bit volatile, right? Bitcoin coming in at a 107.3. We haven't broke down yet, and it's Saturday, and it's like the evening. This is amazing. Isn't it amazing, guys? I don't know. What does this mean? Does this mean that we're going to see a fake out on Monday? Does this mean that we're going to see a recovery happening? What the heck is happening? This guy 17 hours ago saying Bitcoin's rally fueled by leverage. Let's check out what's going on some of these smaller charts. And then, like I said, we'll go check out some Toshi Coin, right? So you guys can see Bitcoin looking like it's just kind of been a lot of sideways motion for today. But again, we have yet to break down. Can we see Bitcoin pump off of this 3-hour chart right here? It looks like Bitcoin trying to print some green on this 3-hour right here. Let's see kind of how the past hour's been looking. A little bit unsure, right? As we ride this Keltner channel here, are we seeing some kind of rejection? Are we seeing some kind of double bottom here? Can we make a move to the upside? Bitcoin, let us know, right? I want to check also on some of these more longer term indicators just to kind of see where we're at, just to kind of see where we can go. As you guys can see, the market decides it wants to break down. Maybe we could see a retest of some of these lower ranges, but we could still form a bull flag here. All we need is a little bit of volume coming in on Bitcoin. It seems like things are looking really undecided right now. Has me a little nervous that we're going to see some kind of sell-off. But again, we haven't seen such sell-off. As a matter of fact, Bitcoin could still make a bull flag right here. You guys can see we're creating a flagpole with the flag. It's looking like this thing might have some upside. Maybe we created a wedge here, right? Maybe we break out here. Maybe we break out here. Definitely got to just be a little paying attention to this shoulder, head shoulder that could also be forming. That could be a bearish pattern, and again, something that we got to look out for. So just something I'm paying attention to. Let's check out some Toshi Coin. Since again, I know you guys love you some Toshi Coin, and that's why you're here. So let's check out some Toshi Coin and see how it's sitting right now. As you guys can see, Toshi Coin making a little bit of moves today, right? Up about 7%, looking like it might also want to see a breakout. Every time Bitcoin looks like it wants to break out, it just looks like Toshi Coin is also looking for some kind of a breakout. You guys can see good price action here on the 12-hour. If you like that, again, let us know. Comment Toshi in the comment section. It helps in the algorithm anyway. But also, if you look on some of these more smaller time intervals, you can see been seeing a little bit of volatility. We're still resting on top of this 8-hour range right here, but on some of these other levels too, looking like, hey, maybe we could start creating some more higher lows on Toshi, right? This could be an indicator that we might want to see some kind of a recovery, right? Maybe we could again start creating that cup and handle and seeing some more upside for Toshi. Right now it's coming in at 194 million market cap with close to 1 million holders, guys. Kind of crazy now that Toshi has 1 million people holding it, close to, right? Isn't it so crazy? We've been following this coin for so long, and to see just where it's just where it's been, you know, around like 600 million, and then now, you know, coming in at 200 million. I still think that this coin has a lot of potential. I think that it's just going to take some time for Toshi. You know, I think this market's going to take time. I always say that this market moves at its own pace. You know, it's not going to move when you want it to move. It's going to move when it wants to move. But I do think that Bitcoin is starting to hopefully make up its mind. Maybe we'll know something by this week, right? We have some peace going on in the world right now. Yeah, we didn't get a lower interest rate, but again, they're talking about lowering it or firing Powell. I don't know what the, right? But we'll see. We'll see what happens. What do you guys think? You guys think that Bitcoin is still looking bullish? You think our cycle is still intact? And what about Toshi, right? Can Toshi rise to greatness? You guys can see again, up 7% today. But can the gains continue? I want to know what you guys think. let me know in the comment section below. Again, all the engagement helps the algorithm, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.